Hey, wait. Do you have a list of people you need to buy for? Do you know the people you need to buy for?
Yes.
Ooh, it's cold, it's wet, not a great day. We're on our way Christmas shopping this morning.
Yep.
Because what else do you do on a crappy, wet, rainy day, right?
Exactly.
It's wet, it's wet. Grab a carriage. Is this for Miles?
Yeah.
Nice. What are you gonna get him?
I think he's been wanting like the costume.
Ooh.
Or maybe I'll get him a set.
I actually think he wanted this costume.
Ooh.
The Flying Mario.
It's cool.
You should get this for Uncle Brett.
Okay.
Quick update on our plan. We're ditching the carriage.
It's me, Mario.
Well, it was a fun trip. It's raining like crazy here today. I really don't like when it's cold and wet and rainy, but love getting out with the kids, one-on-one, having a little one-on-one kid time. Speaking of the kids, so the kids are going to their aunt's house today, and Amanda and I have some time to do adult stuff. However, Amanda wants to go to the mall today, and I really hate the mall. I actually think my biggest problem with going out today is that I have to go get dressed if we do it. I don't like getting dressed anymore. Do you know, I just realized right now, as we're just about getting ready to leave the house, that it's like almost Christmas and Amanda wants to go to the mall? I don't think that's a good idea. You guys ready to go? It's time for Auntie's sleepover! Miles, you're bringing your whole suitcase with you?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh my gosh. It's starting to snow out. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. I love you.
Your cousins.
We'll see you later.
Ciao. Bye.
Ciao.
We're free. Let's go play with all their toys now.
Ooh, it's cold, wet, rainy, and it looks very busy. I don't know how long I'm gonna last here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's really not that busy, but I'm stressed out. All to go to Primark today. You finding lots of Disney stuff?
You know it.
Really? She wanted to come here to look at Disney stuff, but there's no Disney stuff.
A little bit.
I feel like you need a carriage.
Probably. Oh, that's cool.
It rolls. then isn't the checkout right over there? That line took like 15 minutes to get up to a register. That was a little bit crazy. That place, kinda not that fun right now. How did you do?
I did okay.
Yeah, you enjoyed it?
Yeah, I did.
All right.
I found some Disney stuff. I'm happy.
Where are we going next?
Disney store.
Okie dokie. I think this is the line to go in.
It is. It'll go quick.
I guess so. Making lots of progress here.
It'll just be 1 minute. Someone's doing a quick count for me to make sure, because people can seem to sneak by me a little bit, so.
If I knew that, I would have tried that first.
Thank you.
All right.
All set.
Thank you.
Very much. Good to have you guys all.
Lots of waiting at the mall today. Yeah, this is my area. This is the place to be. Totally dead in here. Are you not buying anything yet?
No.
We should buy something.
I know. I want
Or
to.
not buy something. This is that new Baby Yoda thing that Miles wants for Christmas. I think he has Santa for this. Looks kind of cool.
I can't believe it's $60 though.
I know, right? That's a lot of money for this thing.
Maybe
It better be amazing.
Maybe it actually has the Force. Because it's worth it if he has the Force.
Nope. Okay, that was cool.
That was fun.
Now we've done Primark and Disney Store. What else did you want to do at the mall today?
I'm not sure. I wanted to get lunch, but it's too busy here for lunch, so
I don't want to do lunch here. Do you want to leave?
let's go.
All right, let's get out of here and go get lunch. Hey, you want to stop for a quick coffee?
Worse.
Hey, can I get 2 grande Americanos? One with almond milk, one just as is. Sure.
Does it usually come with
Oh, it's really snowing out.
Oh no. Yep, it's really coming down. It's like snow rain. Ooh, it's not even snowing, it's like hail. It's like a punch in the face. Where is my car? Oh my God, we're never leaving this place.
Hey, what way we drive the van?
Oh, found it. Look how close this jerk parked. There's the first off the road that I've seen this season. Oh, that sucks. That's why you should drive slow and not like a crazy person. Oh no, I don't know what this is, but
What's this exit over here?
not close enough to our house. Oh yeah, it looks like a crazy tractor trailer.
What do you do?
Went off the road, I don't know. It's just hanging out there. This is no fun, but we're gonna go try a barbecue place that we've been hoping would be open. We'll see what happens. Three Little Piggies tacos. I'm pumped about this. And that, what is that?
This is a pork belly Reuben.
Wow, that looks great.
Look at that.
Have a nice day, thank you. Yeah, slippery and gross. Oh my God, streets are slippery. That was not bad, right?
That was good. It was better than the first time we went.
Yeah, it was decent. First time we're actually using the garage this year. I haven't pulled out the snowblower yet. I was going to today. There we go. But I didn't, because I didn't think it was gonna snow this much, but it apparently has. I probably should have brushed it off before I brought it in the garage. I'll be back.